It's destined that you will meet people who will accompany you on your journey of life. This is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. When we planned our purpose before we were born, we have also made an agreement, okay, I'm just saying, with the people, with the souls that will meet us on our life journey. People that we will meet are going to be our steps, the stairway toward the progression of our personal happiness or our spiritual fulfillment, or they will be here and accompany just to make you feel as a home, that you will be able to be fulfilled, because no man can succeed single-handedly. That's why you need to open your eyes and meet those people, the friends that you haven't met yet. And you will be able to do so only when you will open your mind and for the possibilities to meet other people and allow them to become part of your journey towards success. They will help you with their passion, with their understandings, with their opposite attractions that you possess, and the journey towards success or towards fulfillment will be meaningful, will be more passionate. It will be something that will allow you to deserve to live this great life. Because if we have something great, let's share it with the others. Let's enjoy the communication, let's enjoy interaction, and just make this beautiful world be the real good paradise for us all.